Here in Hall 12 of MEDICA 2023, the Startup Park is once again a busy beehive of activity for those looking for new technologies, business opportunities in the field of AI, mHealth, and eHealth. The first company really caught our eye. It's a company that deals with the integration of patient data, especially for producers of medical equipment. Oksana Bober, thank you for taking the time joining us. As the CEO of iCure, what does your company provide?
We're working with the innovators in the field of healthcare with medical devices and electronic health records, and we provide the toolkit, the software for them, so that they can develop their applications. Instead of taking 2 years to develop the software, they're taking only 6 months. And at the same time, we also help them to de-risk the development, because we're taking care about the trust in healthcare and cybersecurity in healthcare. So the data is protected, but also can be exchanged with hospital systems, with the eHealth of the state. That's what we help them to do much faster.
Now, the medical profession has had a reputation of being a little bit behind in the adoption of information technology within their systems. What problems do you encounter as an innovator, as somebody trying to bring services to the market?
This is true what you say. I agree with you. And what I observe now that all the software and all the applications are very fragmented because of the different regulations in each country. How we solve this issue, that we provide the backbone which is compatible to the global standards. So it means that applications which are built on the base of iCure are also compatible with the legislation in Switzerland, where we come from. We're from Geneva, and also with France, with Germany, with Belgium, and also with the US and with Saudi Arabia.
Well, that's impressive. So really internationally relevant. That's a big achievement. Thank you, Oksana, for joining us today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Moving on here, we're just walking straight through the Startup Park here in Hall 12, and it is very full. If we just take one look around here, you can see it's absolutely overrun with people looking for the newest, best in the startup scene within the medical community. As I said, it's full of exhibitors showing solutions in AI, mHealth, eHealth. And especially something that caught our eye is a company from Korea called Orange Biomed. We've already spoken to and got an agreement to speak with Dr. Park of Orange Biomed. Dr. Park, you're here presenting at the MEDICA. What specifically is your technology you're showing here?
Orange Biomed is present OBM Rapid A1C, and OBM Rapid A1C is the world's first portable and reusable HbA1c meter available for anyone, anytime, and anywhere. And HbA1c is the essential part of the diabetic management, and OBM Rapid A1C measures HbA1c level based on a microfluidic technology for single-cell analysis. And we are developing the only accessible and affordable option for A1C testing by bringing the state-of-art point-of-care technologies into patients' homes.
And how does that specifically benefit the lives of the consumer, of the patient?
Patients need regularly monitor their HbA1c level to prevent diabetic complications. However, patients are facing challenges visiting a doctor due to a low accessibility and high cost for these regular checks. That's why we developed OBM Rapid A1C. Our device contains no proteins, eliminating any possible error from varying sampling volume and needs for the refrigeration. Our device is user-friendly for untrained individuals without compromising the accuracy of the A1C results.
And diabetes, it's a huge field. It affects so much of the world population, so any improvement is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Yes, thank you so much.
And we have a little bit of time left. Something else that caught our eye is a company from Poland, company PD Meds. They have a very practical solution for a common problem that many patients encounter. Tell us a little bit about what you're presenting at the MEDICA this year.
We're presenting two solutions for pulmonary rehabilitation. The first one, Notos, is dedicated to our patients, to their training in-house or in the hospitals after main physiotherapy sessions. You just control the game, which is automating your exercising based on your mechanical trainer as used in the conventional therapy. We also have Boreas, which is highly advanced automatic trainer with two types of resistance enabled, and it is monitoring your performance in almost real time. And you can control the main character just by inhaling and exhaling, just like this. And then, after the first phase, you can control it and move between the obstacles which are generated automatically, and you just fly between them so that you regulate your breathing pattern and you are exercising deeper and deeper in terms of your lung capacity.
And who would be a typical patient or a customer who would use this? Would this be a child with asthma, for example?
It can be hardly anyone who can use such technology, and mainly people who require this training of their lung muscle and increasing their tidal volume of lungs. So people with COPD, after pneumonia, COVID-19, after surgeries, after lung cancers, or just with posture defects affecting their lungs.
And why did you decide to join the startup community here at the MEDICA? What are you hoping to achieve?
We, of course, want to establish new contacts, to grow, to make international research and introduce it to the another countries. So potentially we're looking for our new customers.
Great. Peter, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you very much.
So Peter Falkowski from PD Meds. That's all the time we have for now. The stands behind me are very full on the first day here, despite a lot of people having a hard time getting here because of a lot of traffic jams and that. So if you're going to come to the startup community, take some time, do a little research beforehand. There's, as I said, over 50 exhibitors here providing all the newest in AI, mHealth, and eHealth in Hall 12 here at the MEDICA 2023. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you here in Dusseldorf.